Mesophase, Six Sigma Statistics. Friends, in this particular video and module of Measure, we will learn very basic concepts of the statistics. We'll try to understand what is central tendency, what is the variation, how to calculate standard deviation. All this we will be learning from this module. So let's start step by step. What is the purpose of basic statistics? In Six Sigma, the use of the statistic is to analyze the past data and getting some inference out of it. So you are having the data that is being denoted by small n. What is data? Data is based on the factual information, and then it could be represented as your numerical or other information, and you can use it for the processing through the computer. These values are based on the scientific experiment, and it would provide you the basis for making inference about the future. And it also is the foundation of addressing the process capability, that also provide you the common language to be used throughout an organization to describe the processes. So the right collection of the data and to use right tool for collecting the factual data is important. Now let us understand some of the notations, statistical notations, and what exactly that does mean. You can see here the sigma is for summation, and the S is the standard deviation for the sample data. Sigma is the standard deviation of the population data. So if you are denoting the standard deviation for the sample data, you are using small s, and sigma is for the population. Sigma square is variation, and sigma, the italic sigma, the square of it would give you the variation for the population data. Then R is for the range of the data. R bar is the average. Whenever you are having any of X or and striking a line on it, and then R or striking the line on it, that means you have to take average. Then K is the multi-purpose notation. Let's say subgroup or classes, you are using it. Then you are having this greater than and greater than equal to, less than and equal to showcase the data. X is individual value, x1 is the particular first individual value, xi is for each or all individual value, x bar is for the mean, x double bar is the mean of mean, that is grand average, mu is for the mean of the population of the data, p is for the proportion of the sample data, the big P is the proportion of the population data, n is sample size, and the great N, the major N or capital N is the population size. This particular statistical notion will be using throughout in our statistical analysis, and to have a common language throughout the sessions or throughout the course, it is important to understand this particular notion. So you can actually read through them and try to understand what is the relevance of every statistical notion for your further use.